Hi everyone, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. I want to thank y'all for joining me today. Sorry that this video is a day late, but I've been a little under the weather, but that's going on I think everywhere. But I have another Dollar Tree haul for y'all, and it's a bit of a lot of different things, not just Christmas. So I'll just be grabbing bags randomly, and without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. First I'm going to start out with this. It's called Sure Sense. I've seen this brand before. Excuse me. This brand before, but I haven't seen the amber wood. And I sprayed it before I bought it, and I gotta tell you, this scent smells real good. And I gotta watch what I spray because of my allergies. And you get 25% more for $1.25. You can't beat that. And they got in their spa soap, milk and honey cream soap refill. It's a 32-ounce bottle. You can't beat that for $1.25. It's real. It smells real good if you've never bought this before. Let's grab this bag. Okay, I have a little bit of Christmas in this one. I found these cute little gnomes. Look at this. How adorable. And they're ornaments to go on my tree, which I'll be doing a video of that and listing it probably tomorrow. I'm going to do it today later, but I'm going to list it to air tomorrow. And then I got this one. And I didn't see any other kind, but they might have had them and just been sold out. I'm just grabbing all this stuff out of the bag so I can move the bag, putting it in my lap. And they have these treat bags. There's 15 in them. They're and this one has gingerbread and gingerbread house on them. I got these to give in a couple of the stockings, and I'm going to use them in my Christmas journals. And then there's this one that has a bunch of snowmen. There's 8 in this one, and it's shaped different than this one. Well, than this one. But this one has a bunch of snowmen on it. And then I picked up this. You put card or money in it. It's right. That's what it looks like inside. It has a little Velcro here, and it has little gnomes on it with snowflakes and everything. Okay, and the next thing, it's a colorful prayers. You get prayer cards in here, and this is what some of them look like on the back. I picked up some more of them because I already colored in my other ones. And these are called wood dowels. You get 15 in them. I want to use them in hopefully, if I feel like it, a DIY. And then they have these from Jot. These 125 count index cards, and these are the white ruled cards, 4 inches by 6 inches by 10.1 centimeters. But they're the bigger cards. See how big they are to my hand than the ones that we're used to getting. And they came out with some more gnomes. Let me get them out here. They have this one. Look how cute he is. I love his little beard. But I don't have this one. I go by the hats and the shape and how they're, you know, how they're made. And then there's this one. But the beards are a little unruly, but all you have to do is just fluff them up a bit. Excuse me. And here's another one. And the last one is right here. I love my gnomes. And I picked up 2 of these gingerbreads. I'm going to make one of them into a girl, but we have 2 little gingerbreads here, and they're pretty big. Put them up to my head, that way you can see them. And then I picked up this little fluffy plush gnome. He's cute to sit on something. And I picked up some of these scarves. These 2 are the men's. I picked up this one and this one. And they have fringe on the bottom. Let me put it in this hand because of my shoulder. And then I picked up this one. I believe it's it's a woman's. And it has red fringe on it. But I'm thinking I'm gonna use one to try to make it before I do it for y'all. But I'm gonna try to make a DIY using them. Okay, and then I picked up this. It's hot cocoa bar, 25 cents. Warm up here on the farm sign. I'm going to try to make me a little cocoa bar. I tried to find one for coffee, but I couldn't find one. And they have these wall art in gnomes. That's what they look like here, but this is what they look like on the wall. And give me 1 second. Okay, and I picked up these 3 yarns. The pink, the red, and the blue. All I'm looking for now is the green, and hopefully they might have something in silver and gold, because I'm making tassels to go with my journal books, the ones I'm selling. And I made a video. If you're interested, just go back to my channel, and it's like a 10 or 11 minute video about stuff I have listed, and I have Christmas listed on there too now. Let's see. Get all this out here. I found some more of the snowman. I think there's 8 in here. Yes, there's 8, and they have their little jute rope so you can hang them. And then I found the Santa. And 3 of these fabric gift bags. And that's what they look like in the back. Well, they look like that on the front and the back. I was just showing you the back of the package. And I found some more gift cards. There's 6 of them. I already opened this one because I needed the envelopes. That's why I got them to use on my journals. And then this one, because they don't have the Christmas ones out yet. And then there's this one that they have. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you this. Move it out of the way. Now they have, you buy 2 of these for $1.25, and that's a good deal. And I found this coffee mug. It has gingerbread on it and some peppermints and a cup of cocoa. Real cute and festive. And I picked up some more of these little houses. Whoops. If I can keep it long enough to use it without dropping it, I'll be okay. This one is the general store. It's got a little snow on top right here. It's white around here. I'm looking for the one that's got the trim art in the roof trim like that, and it's got a candy for one of the candy houses that they have. And then there's this church, and there's this antique shop, and then there's another little house that I bought. I like this one, the Victorian style. It's real cute. And there's hose in the bottom of them where you can either insert an LED candle, or you can get one of those plug-in light things and buy the bulbs from Walmart or wherever, and you can use them like that. And then I'll show you this. I picked up 2 bags of these Tasty Temptations cat treats for my kiddos. I picked up some Reynolds wrap, which is a good deal for $1.25. You can't beat that. A pack of 3 lighters. Seems like mine go dead. Either the flint falls out of them, or mine just go dead just like that. And these 3 in a pack for $1.25. I was looking for the ones with the candy cane on the bottom, but they were out of all of them. And then this 2-pack of these gift bags. That's what they look like. Oh, let me turn this one around so you can see it. Little snowman. And the last few items are some mugs that I found. I found this one. It says, "I'm dreaming of a white Christmas," on front and back. And there's this one that says "Ho Ho Ho" all over it. I don't know if they had these out last year or not, and I just missed them. But I'm so glad I found them. And then there's this one that says, "Wishing you peace of joy this holiday season." It's hard for me to see. I had to strain my eyes to see it. Well, that's it for today's haul. I hope y'all enjoy it, and stop back in and check out my video on, I'm going to be making of my Christmas journals that I have listed up for sale now at on Etsy.com, and my username is SeasonalCraftsShopUS, and you can find the old ones from Halloween. There's still a few of them. I marked them down, and I listed 4 of my journals so far. And I'm going to be doing a Christmas decorate my tree with me that I'll be listening to. Alright, I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you. Bye.